college has chosen to give a graduation for 20 people in my batch.
We are just fed up of certain people.
Very eventful graduation. Very happening. We are at this like Nimbu Pani stall that we used to come to back in college.
इसने नहीं खाया ना?
हाँ तो मैं वही बोल रही हूँ कि we won't get to eat anything, that's why.
Okay,
तो थोड़ी इसको खाने हैं. Lots of drama.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am graduating, or let's just say I'm going to collect my degree, because my college has chosen to give a graduation for 20 people in my batch. Only 20 people. Can you imagine? A convocation is for everybody, and my college chooses to give a convocation only for 20 people in my batch, which is so lame, and it's literally like the most stupid thing ever. But whatever. I mean, we had to fill a form, and I low-key did not fill the form, so it's kind of my bad that I did not fill the form. And on the basis of the form, they would select people, but I was like, let it be. I just did not fill the form, but I'm anyways going to collect the degree afterwards. I've dressed up a little bit, worn a cute little dress, and these are my new nails. I just got them done yesterday, like lilac and lemons on them, super cute. And I'm going to leave my hair afterwards. I'm going to drive to college, and I'm going to college after almost a year. And it's actually really weird going back to college, because I am in touch with roughly 3 people from college, and they're touch with my nicest, closest friends from college. But also there were some like really not so nice people that I met whose faces I do not want to see. Like most people, I'm sure lots of people can relate, like you just don't want to see some people, some faces. But it's fine, you know, you've got to do what you've got to do, still have fun, still enjoy. And I went to college last April. It's Feb now, so like almost a year. I'm going to meet Devika and Akanksha on the way, and then we'll go to college together and collect the mark sheet, maybe eat something after that, and have our own little graduation celebration. I am wearing this very cute polka dot dress after many years. Actually, I must have bought it when I was 16, 17 even, and I'm wearing it when I'm like almost 22. So yeah, and it's very cute, a cute fit, cute hoops, and ready to go. Hello, Devika is here. Where are we going?
We are going to the most.
Don't say it like that. We are
This is nice place.
nice
I'm
place.
glad I'm out of it place.
See, I told them in the intro also. We are not interested in meeting half the people and see half those faces.
We are just fed up of certain people who
Yeah.
have done nothing but be a pain. So yeah, we're just going. We're collecting our degree,
Yeah.
and we're gonna eat
And
good
then-
food. Frankie's, yum.
Hi, Akanksha. How excited are you for the convocation?
Very excited.
But we're not going with the convocation.
Stop
We're going to get
lying.
degree.
Stop lying to my audience. You're really excited to get the degree?
Bit excited and I'm very nervous.
Why are you nervous?
There are certain reasons.
I can't disclose that in front of camera. I'm sorry.
Tell na one reason why you're
We're
nervous.
nervous, but we're happy because once we get our degree, no
never-
more college.
Never.
We have severed our ties with the.
Yeah. So after this degree, never have to see that college again.
Yes.
So happy for that.
Happy for that.
Never to see
and,
those people again. I don't mind the
people,
college.
exactly.
I don't mind the college building.
You mind the
can't say it.
you mind the people.
Yeah, I mind the people.
So yeah, same here. We all mind the people. So we've reached college, and not like college, but we're almost there, and we're gonna have Nimbu Pani. So we are at this like Nimbu Pani stall that we used to come to back in college. Nimbu Pani is only the most famous thing over here. So we're gonna have that, and then after that we'll collect our degree. Really happy.
Put your camera off.
This girl has got it. It's like some party we're having, bro.
Why are you recording this shit, bro?
Because it's so funny. What are you eating, Akanksha? Show my audience.
It's noodles, Frankie.
She's covering her mouth. It's noodles Frankie when
It's
she
my
ate.
Frankie.
Yeah, when she ate of Frankie, just the wrappers left, and we also had like some random soft drinks. Coca-Cola, no, Thumbs Up, Mountain Dew.
Sprite.
And we're
Yeah.
celebrating with Kit Kat.
Yes, because
Have a break. We need a break.
we need a break from everything, but we had a
Break, a long break.
fun, nice, very eventful graduation. Very
happening.
graduation. It was really happening, and I'm very happy that no matter what I'm with people that I would I should genuinely be with, who I wasn't in touch with like for 2
During
years of college.
college.
But I'm really grateful to
I
be
mean,
in touch with them.
were
now.
not in touch for the longest time, I think.
Yeah, we were not in
met
touch.
once in Starbucks.
Yeah,
if you
correct.
remember.
Yeah.
And
And then
then we
couple
did-
of times here and there, but not really.
Yeah.
But then because of college and everything,
Yeah.
we connected. And then
I
Lil
shifted
Flea.
colleges.
Because of Lil Flea, we connected. We went last year in April.
April.
Yeah.
Oh my
And
god, it's been
it's
a
been
year.
a year.
And that was like the bonding felt.
Yeah, and aren't you all grateful that we eventually touchwood met the right people because of college?
Touch word.
Yeah, the wrong people went away and the right people have stayed, which is
That
great.
is the best thing which has happened.
Which is the best thing that has happened.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Lots of drama, lots of
We have been through a lot of things, but we are
Fights.
happy.
yeah,
and
we're still going through.
still going through, but still we are together, so that's why we are happy.
Yeah, actually. So I think we tried to make this day fun in our own way. But now what are we doing? Let's see. We might just drive around. a little
Okay,
bit.
I have 40 minutes.
So we'll
3:45
drive around
leave.
thoda.
Yeah, we'll drive
We'll
around.
eat because she wants to eat.
Yeah, we'll
But
eat.
बाद में खाते ना अभी फ्रैंकी खाया हमने,
इसने
तो
नहीं खाया ना.
हाँ तो मैं वही बोल रही हूँ कि we won't get to eat anything, that's why.
Okay,
तो
fine.
थोड़े
But
टाइम
इसको
बाद
खाना है.
अरे तो थोड़े टाइम बाद
इसने
खाएंगे.
सुबह से खाया.
But she has to go. Y'all might not be able to hear me, but I might have to keep like subtitles because it's really loud. But we are at Cafe Mysore, Cafe Mysore to have some dosa. They had what they had. They had Frankies. I did not have anything, so I'm gonna have the dosa.
We did it and we are
We are
celebrating
celebrating with Kit Kat. We've got us Kit Kat. One each.
There is an extra one which we'll bite off each.
Okay. Celebrating.
Hashtag my break.
Hashtag my
My break from
Much
college.
needed break which we will have in future, I guess.
You know, this video has become such a sad, deep video of just us ranting about how we don't want to see any of these college people, and now we are happy that college is over. In fact, it should be like a fun reunion, but it's not. The only reunion is the three of us.
This happens every month.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, our reunions happen all the time. Anyways, I came back home, rested for a bit, and now I am dressed for pickleball. My most favorite thing, literally one of my most favorite things. It's my 4th or 5th session, and I am so happy and I'm so excited to go and play pickleball. I'm going with Anjali, and even one of her friends is joining us. So let's go. Okay, so I'm back home from pickleball and I ordered pizza. I ordered some Domino's pizza and I'm having the chocolava cake right now because I just wanted to like treat myself after my graduation because I think I deserve it. And it was a pretty hectic day, honestly speaking. I know that through and through the vlog, we I think spoke a lot about certain annoying people. I don't know if it got overboard. I only understand when I edit it. But I mean, that's just our feeling, you know. In college, you meet some nice people. You meet some people who you think are nice, but they do not end up turning out that way. And I think that's what college life teaches you. And I want to keep this vlog as raw as possible. Put in whatever we said, unfiltered, because, you know, I think college life is something that really changes you and shapes you and your perspective, and so many things change, right? You're a baby when you get into college, and when you leave college you kind of learn so many things. I mean, obviously we're still learning many things, and I'm really grateful for my college life. It taught me lots of lessons. Yeah, I hope if y'all are watching this video and y'all are about to graduate, then enjoy your college life, learn from your experiences. You will fall down, but you gotta learn from that. And if y'all have already graduated, I'm pretty sure that this might be like a small you know, flashback. That's it for the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.